Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Right. So this one is today I'm going to do a review on this bag. Right, National Geographic. Look at that. So that's the bag here. This is the luggage. This is a size 28. It comes with a TSA lock, brother. There's a logo, nice yellow color here there. Alright. Okay. So let's go to this one. How to give zero. Thank you,
Morning.
You eat already or not?
Huh?
You eat already or not?
Eat already lah. Morning.
Ah.
I already help you to cook already lah.
Hello. So this one has this design. And that's the zippers. There's another zipper here. So this one can be strapped. 2 zippers here. The depth is like that much. Alright. And it can be also be extended. So that's the extension there. Extension zippers. And it's a double zipper, anti-tap zipper. It's a double zipper. The wheels are bigger, way much bigger. Alright, so the handles are sturdy. This is a hard case. So this has a magnetic handles. And what else? Yeah, I think that's about it. This is size 28. Alright.